So look at this question. F A B C D equal to sigma 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you will draw the K map like this. Then you will fill 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Rest places you will fill 0. All right. Yes.
So the first group will be of 8, 13, 14, 15, 9, 10, 11.
8 is there. 8 is not there.
6. Sorry, sir. So
6 is also not
two
there.
two groups of four. Two groups of four will be there. 13, 15, 9, 11, and 15, 14, 11, and 10. Two groups of
15,
four.
14, 11, and 10. 12, 13, 14, 15. And then what about 9?
So then 7, 15, 12, 13. So
7, 15, and 12, 13. According to you, how many groups are there?
5. So
5
two
groups.
4 groups and
Two,
3
two.
2 groups.
Okay.
May
Miss,
sir,
एक minute.
3 quads and 1 pair.
3 quads and 1 pair. Any other
Yes,
idea? The first group which I can see easily is this. We have to try to form bigger group. Second group is this. And third group for the 10, we have to make another quad. You can make another quad. And with 7, we can make one pair. So here we will have 3 quad and 1 pair. Okay. The first quad, sigma 12, 13, 14, 15 will give the result as AB. Then sigma 9, 11, 13, 15 for 9, 11, 13, 15 we can see the left hand side of both. Okay, left side of these two and top of these. So we can say A is constant and there D is constant. So it will be AD and then sigma 10, 11, 14, 15 from the left A is constant and from the top of 14 and 15. 14, 15 के ऊपर देखें तो यहाँ पे 14, 15 के टॉप पे यहाँ पे C constant है. And the group, the last group, that is pair 7 and 5, 15. From 7 and 15, the left of the 7 and 15, B is constant. And from the top of the 7 and 15, CD is constant. So the expression will be AB plus AD plus AC plus BCD. This will be the answer. Now the next question is FABCD equal to sigma 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 14, 12, 14. So let's fill 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So what will be the groups? Groups please.
The 3 quads.
3
Say
quads,
one rolling octet
1 rolling octet,
and one pair.
1 pair, right? So one child is saying 3 quads, another is saying 1 rolling octet and 1 pair. Any other answer? So 1 rolling octet is absolutely correct. This is the rolling octet. After making this rolling octet, can we see a bigger group than the pair? Can we take 2, 3, 7, 6 together?
Yes, sir.
So let's take. So here we will have 1 rolling octet and 1 quad. Fine. So that will be sigma 0, 4, 8, 12, 2, 6, 10, 14. That is rolling octet. If you see the top of this columns, तो आपको क्या दिख रहा है? क्या constant है? The result of this octet is
So D dash.
D bar.
D bar. Absolutely right. Then the next group is 2, 3, 6, 7, 0. No, it's not 0. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. And 2, 3, 6, 7, if you see, left of 3 and 7, B, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, and what is constant? A bar. And the top of 2 and 3, C is constant. These two. So the expression is D bar plus A bar dot C. All right. FAB is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. So rest is 0. Now grouping. Okay. How many groups you have observed?
So 1 octet and 2 quads.
1 octet and 2 quads.
1 octet. Everybody got the same thing? This is 1 octet and these are 2 quads. All right. So this octet is made up of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it will give you A. If you see at the left hand side of this, A is constant, so result will be A. And the quads is 5, 7, 13, 15. Left of 5 and 7 is B. And top is D, which is constant. From the top, D is constant. Then 6, 7, 14, 15. From the left, again, B is constant. Anna, this is the left. And from the top, these two, C is constant. So the expression is A plus BD plus BC. All right. चलिए अब इस वाले को सॉल्व करते हैं. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. ठीक है, बाकी रेस्ट प्लेसेस 0 भर देते हैं. Okay, what are the possible groups?
So 4 pairs.
4 pairs.
Yes,
Six.
sir. 4 pair.
Okay, let's make. First pair is this. Second pair is this. Third pair is this. And for fourth pair, we can take either 6, 7 or 6, 14. All right. So one possible thing is F 8, 9 will give you A, B bar from the left, and from the top it will give you C bar, top of the 8, 9. Then 5, 7 from the left I can take AB, and from the top of 7 and 5 I can take D. Then F 10, 14 from the left I can take A, and from the top I can take CD bar. Then F 6, 7 is A bar B, and from the top of the 6, 7 C, or 6, 7, or if I take 6, 14. So 6, 14 will give you, from the left it will give you B, and from the top it will give you CD bar. So there are two possible answers. Answer number 1, A B bar C bar plus A bar BD plus A CD bar plus A bar BC. If you write this answer, then you will write this F614 is redundant group. All right. And if you write second answer where you will consider 614, so the answer will be A B bar C bar plus A bar BD plus A CD bar plus A bar BC, sorry, plus A bar BC नहीं आएगा, plus BCD bar. So if you consider this option of 614, then you will write F67 is the redundant group. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today.